Hey guys, writing high-quality content can be challenging, whether you're creating blog posts, social media updates, or emails. Crafting the right words often takes time, focus, and creativity. For many, the process can feel overwhelming, especially when juggling tight deadlines, writer's block, or simply not knowing where to start. Imagine if you could generate polished, engaging content in minutes, without the struggle of starting from scratch. The goal is to make content creation effortless, helping you produce quality writing faster, so you can focus on what truly matters. Introducing Tenorshare AI Writer, an intelligent writing tool that takes the hassle out of content creation. With advanced AI capabilities, Tenorshare AI Writer generates high-quality, well-structured text for various formats, from blog posts to social media and more. You simply input a few details and the AI does the rest, delivering polished, tailored content that meets your needs. Without further ado, let's dive into Explore Tenorshare AI Writer.
Welcome to Tech Root Solutions.
Go to Google, search for ai.tenorshare, and hit enter. Click on the very first link to go to the homepage of ai.tenorshare. At the top, click on AI Writer. AI Writer offers over 120 writing tools, organized into three main categories: general writing, assistant writing, and creative writing. In general writing, you'll find tools like the love letter generator, sentence generator, email generator, sentence simplifier, and paragraph generator. In assistant writing, there are also many tools such as the AI translator, AI book writer, slogan generator, grammar checker, and chat PDF. Creative writing includes tools like the Instagram captions generator, hashtags generator, answer generator, happy birthday, quotation generator, and song generator. This AI tool provides amazing features for everyone. Whether you're an AI beginner or a professional, this tool ensures faster output and improved outcomes. With over 120 paraphrasing models, unlimited inputs, advanced rewriting capabilities, and much more, it allows you to instantly craft premium content. It also generates personalized content for social media, marketing, advertising, and more. Using Tenorshare AI Writer, you can explore the limitless possibilities of AI. Whether you're a student, writer, marketer, designer, or CEO, you can delegate tedious tasks to AI and improve efficiency in ways you've never experienced. You can work across all your favorite apps and sites, staying organized and enhancing your writing. Tenorshare AI Writer has over 700,000 trusted team users and more than 35 million individual users. AI writing can help you elevate your work with an average time saved per writing task and the ability to create well-structured content in minutes. This tool reduces costs and human error by up to 70%, while also boosting traffic and improving grades by helping you produce high-quality blogs faster. To get started, click on AI Writer, then select Email Generator from the drop-down menu. The main dashboard on the left includes options for articles, blogs, emails, social media, ads, websites, and more. You can select the type of content you want to generate, write the purpose of your email, choose the target audience, select the tone, and even specify the language. Advanced features give you full customization. For demonstration, I'll type "applying for IT support" to generate a job application email. My target audience is broad, and I'll choose a professional tone. Tenorshare AI Writer is powered by ChatGPT-4 technology. Click Generate and wait as the tool processes your email. For grammar checking, go back to AI Writer, select Grammar Checker, and enter your text. For example, I'll type, "Hello, hi, name is John, I'm from USA." Notice the grammatical mistakes in this text, which the AI will correct. Click Generate, and it will process the text showing the corrected version. This tool makes grammar checking easy and efficient. Next, I'll choose the Instagram captions generator. You can specify the caption type or even upload a photo. For example, I'll type "Happy New Year" and click Generate. The generated captions will appear on the right side. This AI tool makes work easier for everyone, enhancing efficiency and helping you create compelling content. Try Tenorshare AI Writer for yourself and share in the comments how you've used this fantastic tool. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for the latest updates on AI tools and trends.